Everyone, welcome back to Sindi Dlathu, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the video got Sindi Dlathu and Brenda Mhlongo dancing to a church song set the TikTok feed on fire. Their joint singing impressed many social media users, and they said it reminded them of apostolic vibes. Adoring fans of the legendary actresses love that they jelly well together off camera, unlike their characters. Brenda Mhlongo posted a video on her TikTok page at Brenda Mhlongo goofing around with Sindi Dlathu. The actress from the popular telenovela The River took a break from acting like they hate each other to having some harmless fun. Their duet has gathered over 500,000 views, and people enjoyed seeing them out of their character. Well guys, please check out this following video and do leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.